Hey everyone, and welcome to my channel. Today, I'm sharing a delicious and refreshing nighttime drink that can support your weight management goals. While it's not a quick fix, this drink can help you feel fuller, improve digestion, and provide some nutrients that may contribute to a healthy lifestyle. Benefits of ingredients. Cucumber. Cucumbers are low in calories and high in water content, which can help you feel full and promote hydration. Parsley and cilantro. These herbs are packed with antioxidants and may aid in digestion. Ginger. Ginger may help boost metabolism and reduce inflammation. Lemon juice. Lemon juice is a good source of vitamin C and may help detoxify the body. Aloe vera juice. Aloe vera juice contains antioxidants and may help promote digestion and reduce inflammation. How to make the drink. Combine all ingredients in a blender and blend until smooth. Then, strain the mixture into a glass and enjoy before bed. Additional tips. Pair with a healthy diet. This drink should be part of a balanced diet that includes plenty of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. Incorporate exercise. Regular exercise is essential for weight loss and overall health. Aim for at least 30 minutes of moderate intensity exercise most days of the week. Manage stress levels. Chronic stress can negatively impact weight management. Practice stress-reducing activities like yoga, meditation, or spending time in nature. Disclaimer. This drink is not a magic bullet for weight loss. It should be used in conjunction with a healthy diet and exercise plan. If you have any underlying health conditions, please consult with your doctor before trying this drink. If you're looking for more tips and recipes for healthy weight management, please subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. I'm passionate about helping people live their best lives, and I hope this drink can be a helpful tool on your journey. Thank you for watching. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to weight management. By making small, sustainable changes to your lifestyle, you can achieve your goals and feel your best. Please note that this information is not intended as a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare provider before making any significant changes to your diet or exercise routine.